If you thought living by T-Rex would have been scary, imagine living side by side multiple giant tyrannosaurs. My favorite period in Earth's history is the Late Cretaceous period, specifically the Campanian age of the Late Cretaceous. This is an epoch of time starting from 83.6 and ending 72.1 million years ago. If we observed the planet from space during the Campanian, it would have looked very different. North America was bisected by a shallow inland sea called the Western Interior. This seaway was filled with weird and unusual marine critters like ammonites, plesiosaurs, and mosasaurs. On land, the dinosaurs dominated. During the Campanian, North America was divided into two separate sub-land masses: Laramidia to the west and Appalachia to the east. We don't know too much about Appalachia quite yet, as we don't have a lot of good fossil deposits on the east coast of the United States dating back to the Campanian. But we do have tons of really great fossil sites in Laramidia, the western part of North America. Laramidia was filled with multiple different kinds of horned dinosaur, like Pachycephalosaurus and Pentaceratops. There are also many different kinds of duck-billed hadrosaur dinosaurs, like Parasaurolophus and Hypercanthosaurus. And of course, hunting those giant herbivores were lots of meat-eating dinosaurs. There were tons of dromaeosaur and troodontid theropods, and there were tons of giant meat-eating tyrannosaurs. By the end of the Cretaceous in the Maastrichtian age, T-Rex was the only giant tyrannosaur left in North America. But during the Campanian, there are multiple different kinds of giant meat-eating tyrannosaur, from Daspletosaurus, Gorgosaurus, Teratophonius, and more. And you couldn't have escaped into the water either, because in freshwater ecosystems, the role of top predator was taken over by the giant croc Deinosuchus that likely would have munched the occasional dinosaur as a snack. If you want to learn more about what our planet looked like during the age of the dinosaurs, come check us out at the Tyrannosaurus.